Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account without access to your email, phone number or password. So first of all, open your preferred browser like Safari or Google Chrome and go to roblox.com. Now, once the website opens, tap on Forget Password or Username. You will see options to recover your account using email, phone number or username. Enter your username and tap on Next. And if you no longer have access to your email or phone number, tap on the address bar again and go to roblox.com/support. And once the page loads, you will see a form asking for your username, first name and email address. Even if you don't have access to your old email, you can enter a new working email where Roblox can contact you. Now, scroll down to device type and select iPhone. Then, under the type of help category, select account hacked or cannot log in. After that, in the description of issue box, type something like I cannot log in and I don't have access to the email or phone number. Please help. Then tap on continue and Roblox will review your request and contact you at the email you provided. And that's all. That's how you can recover your Roblox account without access to your email or password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.